Let's do the same thing on the other side. Do the same line, but going
Drawing
the
a
other
brain.
direction.
Hold on, we gotta hit pause because you're showing pictures. So what we gotta finish, what we're drawing are, come on, Gracie. We're drawing a brain. I paused it. But we gotta draw the socks.
I
ain't draw the socks. Okay, we got a tutorial going on YouTube. We stopped it. Now we're gonna start it back. You ready to start it back?
Mm-hmm.
You drawing the shoes. I ain't get to draw the shoes. Hold on, let me catch up with you.
I like too fast.
Nah, I wasn't paying attention.
You were playing with your phone.
I'm playing with my phone.
Getting left behind.
Getting left
Now we
behind.
can draw the inside or the heel of our shoe.
Okay, now we're gonna draw the heel of the shoe.
And then let's connect the bottom of each of our shoes.
Okay.
Let's add another line for the very bottom of the shoe.
Can make a sole. Lord knows I can't
And then we can
draw
draw two curves for the shoelaces.
shoelaces.
Two on the left and two on the right. Now let's draw arms holding weights up like it's working out. I'm going to draw
gosh.
a line coming out to the left and also out to the right.
This
And
where I
then we can
missed
draw
it.
another line right next to it on each side. At the top of each of our arms, let's draw the letter U.
The letter U.
This is for a hand that's hanging on to the weights. And you can make the U a little taller. That way we have room for
Made my
the
U's
bar
too
on
big.
each of the weights. Then let's connect the top on the left and also on the right.
Okay. How the hell, Gracie?
And we could also draw two lines in the middle. This is for the fingers.
So connect. And then drop.
Good job. All right, let's draw the weights. We're going to draw two lines coming out to the right. So we'll draw the weights on the left side first. And then we can draw two lines coming out of the left side.
Okay, what is he doing? Okay, drawing the two lines.
Next, on the left, let's draw a big line that comes straight down. And repeat that same line on the right side.
Some
And then
weights.
let's draw two shorter lines that come out. And
Stop
then we'll
doing
connect
that, you're
those
writing
two
to
lines
me.
together also. Let's do that same thing on the right side. Two short lines and then connect them. Because our brains are so strong, let's add another weight on each side. I'm going to draw a line that comes out, down, and then back in.
Wait.
He going too fast for you? You covered up my whole thing. Can they see? Trying to get a good shot.
Of course they can.
Okay, I'm gonna draw my rest of my weight. I'm messing up. My weight got messed up on the other side. Okay.
Do the same thing over here, back
Now I
in.
gotta do a little thing.
Let's
on
repeat
the
all of those
outside.
same steps for another weight on the right side. So I'm going to draw the bar coming out on the left and also
Oh,
on the
I
right.
did it. We made
What was
our
the
weights,
next step?
other weights too early on this side,
Yeah, we're going to start on the left and then also match it on the right.
but overachievers.
And then we can draw those two shorter lines that come out and then connect them
show it.
together.
What's it there? You want to look sideways.
Yeah, because I was drawing from a
Because
different
it's super
direction.
strong. Yeah, our brain is really strong.
These are
We're going to
brains.
add another weight
Now
on
look
each
better.
side.
Ha! Yours look
Awesome,
better.
we did it. We finished drawing
Come
our
on,
healthy
baby.
brain. Except we still need to do what? Color. Yeah, this is what we're going to fast
Oh, we
forward.
got color.
Pause the video to match the same color. Ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our brain. Drawing is always my favorite. Now you can pause the video right now to match your same color or color drawings. You could also add extra